This is a 5-minute meditation for a refreshing start to your day. Find a comfortable, seated position. Close your eyes, or keep them open with a soft gaze. Take a few moments to settle in. Start by taking a deep breath in, letting the fresh morning air fill your lungs. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly release. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more awake, more energized, and eager to embrace the day. Now, gently bring awareness to your body. If you feel any areas of tension, take a moment to stretch or adjust. With each stretch, feel your body loosening up and releasing any tension. As you continue to breathe deeply, listen to and try to believe the following affirmations. I welcome this day with joy and gratitude. I am energized and prepared for today. This day holds new opportunities, and I am open to them. Now, picture the sunlight filling your day with warmth and positivity. Imagine yourself enjoying moments of your day as you move with ease and grace. Slowly, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel calm and centered, gently open your eyes. Carry this refreshing feeling with you throughout the day. Namaste.